How it will not copy? Then it may be missing in the profile. That's all. Share your screen. We'll see.
Yes, I'm logging.
Yeah.
Here I have put it manually here, the unit and unit of
Open the
duration.
profile. Go to SPR and open the profile. Go to SPRO. No, above. No. No, next I think so. Not general data. Next one. Control data. There only. Second. Yes. Yes. Open it.
Here unit is maintained.
Create new one. Maybe it is added later. Create new one. See what is happening. Create one more task list. We'll see what is happening. No. Create new task list. I'm not telling this. Create new task list. Leave this as it is. You deleted it.
Yes, sir.
You deleted the available profile.
No, sir.
Then why you are creating? It is already there, right? Or
No, I have created new one, sir. I have click on new entry only.
okay, carry on. What you want to carry on? Okay. Currency, keep currency. INR keep something. Foreigner keep something.
Now it is coming, sir.
Then maybe you after you created the task list, you might have added there. Maybe. Okay. Or that's all I can tell. After the task list you open, it is not coming, so you might have went and added there. You got my point.
Okay.
Might be some human error. We might have did some wrong, right? That is not in your hands, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll start with the equipment and general task list. Okay. So yes, let me share my screen. Right. Today we are starting equipment general task list we completed, including report tables. I told I think so PLPO and PLAO I think so for tables for task list. Okay, which I was using yesterday. No, itself no. Let me check this server. Where is that? Oh, okay. Peaker. I think this one last. I think so. Yeah, this one, right? What is the password, man? Okay. One second, guys. One second. Okay. Today we are starting a table, right? Okay. So I think PLPO or PLKO, SE16N. Okay. PLPO, PLPO, I think so. Yes, task list. Okay. Created on give yesterday date 28. Okay. Number of entries 28, 26. Go inside. Okay. What we created? I think I created motor. I think so, right? So this is my user ID. We created only 3, maybe, but all are my ID. I don't know. All are my ID. I created yesterday. How? I don't know. Okay. Right. So this is the table, right? PLBO and PLKO also is there, I think so. Okay. PLKO also, I think so. Yeah, that also task list. Okay. So through the table also you can take. Okay. Right. So now we are going to see equipment task list. I gave the T code IE01. Yesterday I gave the T code IE01. Right. Go here. IE01. Right. So when you go, you will see the equipment field mandatory. Okay. Because this task list is a equipment task list you are creating for this equipment. So equipment you need to enter mandatory. Okay. So we'll create a bomb, equipment bomb. So I can show that bomb also, right? IB11 function location. IB01, right? Equipment. Okay. Take any equipment. Right. Equipment for now. Right. Plant usage. Right. So give your component whatever you want. Okay. Item. Where is item category? One item category. What is item category field? Oh, it is a okay. It is in the front, right? You the quantity. That's not a matter. Okay. Okay. So I had created bomb, right? So this is my equipment. Okay. Keep it. Okay. This is my equipment, right? Save it. Now for this equipment, create your task list. Equipment task list. I am giving the equipment number because my task list I am creating for this equipment. Okay. Equipment task list. Give the profile. Press enter. Okay. So usage and status, you guys know, very important for any task list in PM module. For all task lists or any task list, you can take anything. That too is mandatory. For both it is 4. Okay, for both it is 4. Don't forget that. Okay. Okay. So go to operation, right? See here in the header, your equipment number will come here. Because this task list is created for this only one single equipment. Okay, go to the operation. Again, your equipment number will come here. Only difference is your equipment number will come because this task list is created for that particular equipment. For that particular equipment. Enter whatever you need the operations, right? That you guys know I needed. Other things all are same. Only thing your equipment number or FL number will come. That's all simple. As usual, yes, main point. Go to the component. Okay. Component, man. Okay, select activity, go to component. Since I have BOM, I can select through the component button. Right? This BOM I added now. Right? So I can select from here. I think this is construction type. Maybe equipment is having. I think so it is having construction. So this is the material I added. So through BOM I added. That's all. If you want, still you can add more materials also. That is the use of this component button. Adding BOM in task list. Right? Even you can change the control key services I told yesterday 03. But again, that MM issues will start. That's what I told. That's what I told. Okay, leave it. We don't have the data, that we'll see later. Okay. Right. So again, you can services I told PM03, right? That's all. This is how to create a equipment bomb, right? So save it. Go to your report IA09, right? Click equipment task list because what we created now is equipment. Also general, put a general also, right? And create and I'll give from yesterday. I'll tell you the reason. What is the reason? I'll tell you. It's not required actually. Okay. See the task list type. What we created is equipment task list. Okay. E for equipment task list. Okay. Three type of tool: general, equipment, and FL. For equipment, it is E. The task list type is E. For general, it is A. And for FL, it is T. So A, E, and T are the task list type for the FL. You can see the task list type here. This is created today. Now we created. Any questions on this? Eh, no task list. That's all. What is this, man? Shit. Okay, leave it. That's no issues. I thought of showing still more. Yeah. Am I doing right or wrong? Created on correct only. Don't know. No task list. Or I am doing anything wrong. This create also very important. I will tell you. Okay. Okay.
Key date while generating report
I
is
will
not
tell you. I
repeat
will tell
cycle.
you. I will tell you. I will tell you. I will tell you. See here. Okay. A equipment general FL. This is FL task list. Go and see inside. Group 7 and 1, right? Equipment task list, right? Other task list. Okay. Other task list. Right. Okay. FL is IA 11, I think so, right? And take your FL here. You need to take the FL, right? Okay, this is the FL for me. Okay. See here, FL name will come everywhere. If you go to the header also, you will get the FL name. That's all FL task list. While creating FL task list, you need to enter the FL number, FL here. That's all. Got it, Anwar? Any questions? Ayyo, Rama. Sorry, Anwar. Anwar, clear? Any questions on this?
No, sir, clear.
Right. Now, okay. So this task list is there, right? This task list is there. Why there is general and equipment FL task list? What is the significance? Equipment or FL? Anything. Now they are not asking. When I was 3-5 years, this question was hard question. Okay. What is the difference between general and equipment? General and equipment or general or FL. Okay. So anything same, right? So I'll go here. What is today? 22. Okay. Right. This equipment task list. Get the equipment. Okay. Create a plan. This plan next we are going to see. We are going there only. Okay. I'll tell you. Before that, oh, this will run now. Okay. Okay. So this task list is created for this equipment, right? So task list type E, group number 27 and counter 1. Okay. E 27 1. So I'm changing the equipment number. Okay, equipment does not exist. Okay, fine. I'll take a different equipment from here. Got it? In the means, this task list is created for this equipment number 957. Even if I try to use for different object, the system will throw error. This is called equipment task list. The task list can be used for that equipment only. Even if you try, you cannot use for other equipment. Clear? Now, that is what equipment task list or FL also same. That task list can be used for that only particular equipment, particular FL. Even if you try, system will not allow. That is general. Anwar and Muhammad, clear on this or any questions here? But general task list is not like that. General task list, for example, okay, your mobile charger, okay, charger cable, okay, charger cable, the maintenance is same, right? But if you come to the mobile, the maintenance or the repair you are going to do may differ because the software differs, the functionality here and there, here and there, here and there it differs. Am I right? So that will be a equipment task list. If you are creating a task list for a particular mobile model, for that model only this task list can be used. Any questions on this? General task list. I can create general task list for motors. Any motor I can use, but I have a motor. Okay, for that it is brought from different company. Okay, which is not India or instead of a different company. The materials I am going to use and my lift of work I am going to use is only for this motor XXX. So this task list group and group counter I am creating. Okay, for example, group is 30 and counter 1. This group 30 and 1, if I try for different equipments, it will not allow because while creating, my equipment number is there in the task list. Got it? That is what here. Even in the header, system will not allow to use for other objects. Equipment task list can be used for only one particular its own equipment. Clear on this or any explanations required? Anwar
Understood.
sir. Anwar sir, any questions? Anwar sir, Mohammed sir, any questions?
No, sir.
General task list not like that. You can use for cleaning purpose. For cleaning, I can create a general task list. Okay. This task list I can use for any cleaning activity. General. That means I can use for any equipments. I can use for any because that is a general task list. I can use for any object. Right. That is what general and equipment task list. Okay. Right. So yesterday I told. Okay. Creation of task list. Steps in the preventive. Attaching task list in the maintenance plan, scheduling and work order. Now I am going to create the maintenance plan. Okay. So maintenance plan are of three types. Okay. Single cycle plan, strategy plan, okay, single cycle, strategy and multiple counter. Okay, single cycle, strategy and multiple counter. Single cycle, strategy and multiple counter. Okay, these are the T's as well. Yeah, this is calibration that we will discuss later. Okay, single cycle, strategy and multiple counter. These are the three types of preventive. Like again, it is getting classified time-based performance based. That only we are going to discuss today. Okay, not today. But preventive will go at least 5 days. 1 day complete, to a second day. Right? Right. Okay. So preventive, as yesterday Anwar told, it is a periodical advanced planned maintenance carried to avoid breakdown. Very good answer. Carried to avoid breakdown. That answer is awesome word. See, it will be written here. See, avoid breakdown failures. It's a wonderful word yesterday Anwar told. Okay, it's a very, very good word. Right. So when it is periodical, okay, I need to plan. It is monthly or quarterly, half-yearly, or even yearly or 5-year once. It's up to the period what I am going to put. Okay. So I am putting now my period is 3 months once. Okay, quarterly. This 3 months, how many 3 months it should go? Getting me? Because I am doing for periodic, right? Periodic should come continuously. Correct? Anwar and Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Periodic means how many 3 months? It should be coming periodically, but there should be some end. Without end also you can do, but that will be several years. 50 years, 100 years also might be. That is waste of thing, right? We are going to be in this world only for 40, 60 or 80 years. So 100 years, why we need to do? That is none of our business. So what I am putting for now 2 or 3 years. Right? 2 or 3 years. So this 3 months is called the cycle length. Cycle length or cycle period. Cycle length normally. Okay. And this 2 years is called as Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Cooling period. Your entry question. Okay. So 3 months. So 1 year, 4 work orders. For 2 years, 8 work orders will generate. Right? 8 work orders will generate. Not only work order, you can create notification also through preventive work order or notification as per your requirement. You can create. Let me know anyone have any questions for now till now.
Sir, cycle length, I am a bit confused, sir. Cycle length.
Is a frequency.
Frequency, very good answer. That's all. Frequency of your maintenance. Simple. Frequency of your maintenance.
Okay, this work order will trigger every 3 months. Means that is the
Absolutely.
frequency. Okay,
Absolutely.
understood.
Every 3 months, 10 days, 5 days, 3 year once, 5 year once. What you are entering, that too you can give. That's not a matter. We are taking this example as 3 months.
Yes.
Frequency, very good answer. Frequency. Frequency of your notification or work order generation. Right, I am going to create the plan. Okay, single cycle IP41, strategy IP42. Sorry. Multiple counter IP43. Okay. So I am going to create the single cycle plan T code IP41. So this is my old before now they are not asking at all. Before this was the question. What are the call objects for your maintenance plan? Call objects means through maintenance plan what and all you can create. Through maintenance plan what and all you can create. Okay. As I told, notification and order both can be created. Okay. And other things also is the calibration order, etc. etc. Okay. Notification and order only normally used in all the projects. Okay. Calibration, yes, you can create. That's no issues. Okay. So this and all no one is using in any project. Order and notification, this was standardly used in any project. Okay. So we'll take as order. Okay. Press enter. So I'm giving a maintenance for engine, for example, right? So we are discussed, we are going to do a 3 months plan. This is called cycle length. Cycle length. Okay. Give your equipment, right? Okay. Plan 1000, right? Order type, you need to take preventive order type. Okay. You take the preventive order PM03. Okay. Press enter. So month, this is a monthly cycle, 3 months, right? Cycle text quarterly maintenance. This is just description. Okay, press enter. Give your equipment for which you need to do the maintenance. Okay, take any equipment, whatever you want. Equipment does not exist. Okay. Okay. So for this equipment, I need to do quarterly maintenance. The MON is month. Cycle unit. Okay. Come down, attach your task list. Okay. You should have the task list already. Okay. Yesterday we created a task list, we'll use it. Okay. Yesterday we created the task list, you'll use it, right? Yesterday. Okay, we'll take this one for example. Okay, anything you can take, no matter. Okay, we'll take this one. Means now we are taking randomly, but in the client in the project you should take the correct task list, right? So now we are randomly taking. Okay, so this is the general task list. Group is motor, counter is 2. Okay, so come up, go to the scheduling parameters, second tab. Here you know FL. Plant, order type, okay, planner group, activity type, business area, work center. This and all normally will be copied from here equipment. Okay. Now go to the scheduling parameter. So we discussed this is for 2 years. Scheduling period. Okay. See here, scheduling period 2 years. Okay. Till now everything good? Anyone? Any questions? Call Arjun, I'm giving 100 for now. Till now any questions on this for now? So startup cycle is very, very important. Okay, startup cycle is very, very important. Okay, this field is very important. Okay, and you see here first tab, second tab, third tab, only 3 tabs are there, right? So I'm going here, I'm giving my startup cycle. I will give 15 days before. Okay, I will tell you what is the reason. I will tell you what is the reason. Okay, no, I will take. Yeah, fine, correct only. Why I am taking this, I will tell you now. You asked me what is key date, right? That I am telling you now, along with this. So this is the task list I took, right? Second task list. Okay. Here, if you go, you can get the here somewhere you can get the key date. Okay. I think this is the key date. Okay. One field is key date. Okay. This is the key date. I think so. Right. So this is key date is what? Yesterday. Okay. So, but here my start date is before the key date. Before the key date. Right. So save the plan. Save the plan. Okay. Scheduling is of two types. I told scheduling. Okay. Scheduling is of two types. Okay. Manual and automatic. Okay. Manual scheduling and automatic scheduling. Manual scheduling, IP10, that's what we are going to discuss now. First, to understand the flow. Then we are going for automatic scheduling, IP10 in ECC, S4HANA, IP30H, 30H in S4HANA. Okay, this is ECC T code. This is S4HANA T code. Okay, this is S4HANA T code. Now, for now, we are going to check on IP30. Okay, so plan is done. You can go here itself. This is also IP10 only. Okay, schedule your plan, press enter. Okay, so this is your plan number. Click start button. Again, the start of cycle will come. Important point in the preventive, dates plays the game. You should be very cautious with the dates. Very, very cautious. Don't think you can change any date like you are doing the work order, because one date if you change here, this will change all your flows below. Not only here, overall in the preventive, you should be very cautious with the dates. Very, very cautious. Okay. Press enter. So what I told, 3 months order. So 1 year, 4 orders, 2 years, 8 work order. Correct? Here, 8 work orders. Till now, everything good?
Yeah.
And what I give the start of date? Okay. I go incidency. What is the start date here given? 15/11. From 15/11, 3 months. It will be 11, 12, 1 and 2. Here. 3 months. Correct? Again, gap 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. 3 months, your periodical is coming. Clear till now. This is called as calls, call number. Till now, everything good? Any questions?
Sir, can we put the same date for all 8 work order, respective of month?
Then
Hello?
why you need to come for preventive? That case, why you are coming for preventive? You can do manually and go, right? You can do. Then what is the use of? Then you will not get order 3 days once, 3 months once. You will get all orders today itself.
No, means if there is a difference between these 2 months or 3 months, the date, how can we maintain this date fixed just like a 15th of Feb, 15th of May, 15th of August?
So you want all the date on same date, right?
Yeah.
That is called, in the scheduling, there will be a key date. That is here. This field. If you want a particular date, it will take this date. You need to take this option. Irrespective of anything, it will come on that date. That is time key date. And third is factory calendar. If it is holiday on the day, it will not come on the day, it will go to the next day. That is called factory calendar. Clear?
Right.
These are the types of shit. This is rarely they will ask. Okay, maybe experienced people they may ask, but 5 years may not. Okay, a little maybe they will ask for 7, 8 years. Experienced people maybe more than 7. Otherwise they won't come to schedule indicator. Experience, higher experience, 7, 8 years people, they may ask what are the types of schedule indicators. If you want to understand still, click this, press F1 and read. Read everything, you'll understand clearly. Okay, this is normal date. Okay, this is what you told, right? See here, today date is 4 date. Okay, so always it will be on 4th of any month, irrespective Sunday, Monday, holiday, any date, it won't check anything. It won't check the factory calendar.
Right, sir.
Okay, and the last is factory calendar. If it is a holiday on the day, it will go to the next month, I think so. Okay, it won't create on the day, next month it will go. That is called factory calendar. Where we enter factory calendar in the PM module? Anwar.
Sir, here in work center,
Absolutely.
capacity tab.
Absolutely. Absolutely. In the work center, you enter the, from there only your factory calendar is coming everywhere. Okay. Everywhere it is coming from there only. Okay. Your question is good. I gave the answer. Now coming here. Where am I? Okay, go back. So till now everything good, right? Here.
Yes.
Select the line, schedule it. Should throw error. It should throw error. Oh my God, why it created, man? Put it 11. I got it. I got it. My wrong. It's my wrong, actually. What happened, right? Okay, I will tell you what is the matter. Okay, your order creation date is February 2nd, 2023. Okay, February 13th, 2023, right? But my task list key date was, my task list key date is 28/11. Okay, that is November 28, 2022. What I thought, I miscalculated actually. Okay, what I thought order will generate today, I thought. So, okay, what I didn't calculate this 3 months. It will take 3 months. If your plan this date, see, now this field is missing. And the 4th tab came here. If the plan is scheduled, the start of cycle field will go off. The start of cycle will go off. And you will get the 4th tab. Your IP10 screens will come here. The calls will come here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is first point. Okay, right now coming to you. Okay, this is done. Okay, saved. I will show you, right? I will create one more plan. Jealously, I'm telling, man, you guys are lucky, man. You are getting good trainer. You guys are enjoyed. We and all died in our life to learn everything. Okay. See what start date I'm giving. Okay. Yes. Why means from here 1 month means it will come on November 11th. Okay. I'm giving November. I'm giving October 5th. Right. October 5th I'm giving. So it's a 1 month cycle. It's a 1 month cycle. So the call will come on November 5th. Correct? Till now everything good. But my task list key date is November 28. In the means for this date, November 5th, my task list is not active because key date is in the future. If you are creating a task list, the key date you are taking means from this date only your task list is active. It is having heart. Before date it is not having heart. It is in his mother's stomach. It's getting built up. See what is happening. Okay, give the colors 100. Give 1 year, 2 year. That's not a matter, right? Go here. Right. This is okay. Save it. Schedule it. Enter. Start. Date very important. Be very clear on the dates. While entering dates, you should be very, very, very cautious. Even the test system, while changing the dates, understand and change. Okay. So that then only you will learn preventive in a proper way. Don't give any date and go. If I am giving this date, what date is coming? See the dates clearly. If you see the date flow, understand it, preventive will be very easy for you. Simply if you give any date and go, you won't understand preventive. Okay. So I am giving November 5. Correct, right? No. October 5. October 5. November, October. Right. Okay. Select it. Got it? Mohammad, your question. Key date. What is key date? You asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you are clear. You are able to understand here.
Yes, sir.
See, leave this. What date I gave, that's not matter. My order generation date is November 5. But my task list key date is November 28. So November 5, my task list is not active. So it is throwing error. No operations can be determined. Yes, no, yes, something. Both of you.
No, sir.
No, Sarah.
No, sir. Oh, confused, sir. Sir, this task list is created on 28th November.
Wait. Hold on. Don't speak on creation date. Speak on key date. Key date means this date. This date. Creation date and this date may vary. Be very,
Okay.
that's what I told. Preventive should be very cautious. Key date is the date from which your task list is active. On 28th, your task list is there also, it is dummy. Henceforth, you will get this error.
Yes.
That's what I told here. Leave this cycle 1 month attender, leave it. Your work order generation date is November 5th. Right? But your task list key date is 28/11.
Task list key date 28/11. Yes.
That's what I told. From 27 reverse, your task list is not active.
Yes.
It is in the past date.
Yes.
It is not having, in Tamil they will tell, it is not active. In Tamil they will tell weir. Heart, it is not having heart, it is not having life.
Yes.
Yes or no? Done or not? Your task list is die. It's not still, it is not matured.
Sir, this one is cleared and that this task list is active. It gets active from the key date, but this planned date, I'm confused. Means Why?
At least if you
Why
have-
it is? Yes.
Don't confuse. Finish one by one and go. First, are you clear of the key date now?
Yes. Yes.
Right. Anwar, any questions from your side? Anwar, preventive will be like this only. I can't do anything. You need to imagine and you need to understand. Preventive will be like that only. I can't do anything.
Sir, key date can also be called as the creation date, means the day on which we are creating task list.
Why to be there? Why to be there? While creating, I can put this next year 23. Why not?
Okay. Means from when we want to make it active, we can give that date as a key date.
That date only you need to give. In case I am creating now, I don't want to use it. If someone uses it, they should not be active. So I'll give the key date in future.
Okay.
Simple
Understood.
example. Yes. Simple example. Now it is November month. Next year, April or May. Okay. I have my shutdown activities. For that, I'm creating task list. So this task list to be used only during shutdown.
Okay.
Only during shutdown. You know what is shutdown, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I can put my key date April 1st. If anyone uses it wrongly also, system will throw error. Simple.
Okay.
Very good example.
Yes.
Got it? Both of you.
Yes.
In Tamil, they will tell Uyir. In Telugu, Hindi, I don't know. For heart, if it is running, what they will tell? In Tamil, they will tell Uyir. Uyir means it is active. The body is active. The before date is not active. That's what I told. Here, see here. Okay. Okay, 23, right? Okay, enter. Okay. Okay, I'll create a new one. Leave this. Okay, profile. Enter. Okay, this is and all. This is something, right? Save it. Okay, now display this. What is the group number 79? Okay, header. Oh, somewhere I saw the key date, man. Somewhere you can see the key date. I saw the key date somewhere. Key date we can get somewhere actually. $21.11, right? Somewhere I saw the key date. One day I got it. I got that key date. Somewhere I got it. But you can get the key date where even I don't know now. Okay, you can get the key date. So key date and creation date is different, sir. Don't think both are same.
Okay, sir.
Both are different. Okay, don't think both are same. Key date and the creation date is different. I saw it one day. I saw where I saw. I don't know. Okay, I'll check and let you know. So key date is done, right? Any questions? I had explained you should try and see for the error. I gave the scenario. You try and see. Now coming to the plan. Where is the plan? Close this. This is close. Okay, and this also close, right? Okay. Now coming to here. What is your doubt here? Tell me. Okay, it went closed, right? So okay, 1 month, 510, 510, right? 510, right? Start date. Start date is here 510, right? Okay. So I'm going to schedule it. Okay, so start cycle. So this is your start date, cycle date. 1 month cycle. It is a 1 month cycle. Now tell me what is your doubt. You told in this. You have doubt. Tell me.
Now you gave that, sir, that date, start a cycle date.
Yes.
So um from but here it is calculating from 4th of November.
Where it is calculating 4th of November? It is calculating
This
from. Sir, maybe it is 31 days. This month may be 31.
okay.
That's what 1 day is going before. No. 30 days means it is before date only. It will take the before date. It will come as 5. It will take the before date.
But it takes 1 day before. But means what is the logic for calculating that?
Select the line.
Uh,
Select the line. Go to call algorithm. Select the line. Go to call algorithm. See, your plan date is your key date starter cycle is 510. Your sequence is 30 days. From here, if you count 30, it is 411 is your 30 days.
Okay. Understood.
Clear?
Yes.
Your starter
Yes.
cycle is 510. Your 1 month means it will take 30 days. 30 days it will count. If you count, it will be 411.
Yes. Understood, sir.
You need to understand, no option. Still, we are in basics of preventive. We didn't go much. We are still in fundamentals. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So, one more thing. If I want to jump here, I am jumping here. If I can create this, it will not allow. The reason, if I want to generate a call for any call number, order for any call number, the previous call order should be generated or skipped or any option. There are many status here. Called, saved call, blocked, skipped, completed, on hold, like that. Many options are there. Okay. So here, I don't want to generate this order means I can select the line. I can skip it here. Skip the call. I don't want this order to be generated. I can skip it here. See, the status is schedule hold. If you select and skip, see the status. Sorry, next button. See. So it is skipped now. And you can now go over the next call. Got it?
Yes.
Right. Now saving this. Yeah, I know, man. Okay, it is not allowing, right? I'll take a correct plan. Okay, I'll change the task list, right? I can change the task list. Okay. Okay, I'll change the date now because I'm not able to create the schedule the plan. So I'm putting 11. Okay. See, the fourth tab is not there because it is not a schedule. Save it. Schedule. I can go here IP10. Okay, if you want, I can go through IP10 is the T code. Okay. You can see here also. Okay. If you have doubt, you can come and see here also. IP10 and IP30 are the through T codes for scheduling. Okay. IP10 and IP30. IP10 manual scheduling, IP30 deadline, that we'll discuss later. Okay. So come here, start, date, yes. Okay. See here, whenever order is getting created, your call date will get empty. Call date, okay, I'll come one by one. I don't want to mess up this. Okay, save this. So order is scheduled. What, Anwar, you are not roaming with girlfriends, sir, recently, sitting in SAP. Huh? All your girlfriends are running away from you. Anwar, he is blinking with the preventive. You are in mute, man. How many times, man? This is shit. New system, it will take time. On, sorry. Come on. Yeah, Anwar.
Yes, sir.
Girlfriends are not coming to you nowadays. Huh? You are learning SAP and coming with doubts. Sir, this doubt, that doubt. Good, you are putting effort. Thank you. Okay, go inside. Now go to the plan. As I told, your startup field is empty. Before I told the field here, remember startup cycle. And the fourth tab came here. Your IPT, but here you cannot modify, but you can just see it. I don't know whether you can schedule here manually, just information. So from this you can come to know the plan is scheduled. Okay, plan is scheduled. Till now everything good. Till now everything good.
So we create a single cycle plan, then we schedule it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. When you schedule, work order will get generated. While before scheduling in the plan, you need to give the preventive order type. Order type, preventive order type.
Okay.
Scheduling two types, manual and automatic. Now we are discussing manual. Automatic will go later. First, still plan many things are there to discuss. Still we are in the basic stage.
Sir, if they ask how to create a work order, then what steps we need to tell? Is it from the notification or is it from the task list creation?
Preventive start from task list. Why you are going for notification?
No, general work order if they tell. If they are not specifying any type of means work
If they
order
are not
type.
telling, you tell general work order, notification, work order, release, settlement rule, confirmation, takeover, settlement, business process. You don't want to tell preventive.
Okay.
If they tell specifically preventive, then you need to start from the task list.
Okay.
General work order means you need to go general only. You should not tell preventive. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now there is one more field. Okay, caller zone. Okay, I'll put as 3-month cycle. Okay, take the task list. You can take any task list. I am taking what I created. You can use any task list. Okay, I am giving one. Okay, right? I am giving this 1 year or 2 year also you can give. So, okay, this is next important question. Scheduling period and caller zone are a basic preventive question. If you answer this, then only they will go to the next question in preventive. If you don't tell this, they won't ask further in preventive. Okay. My cycle is 3-month cycle. That is 90 days. 90 days once my work order will get generated. But business requirement, I need my work order to be generated on 45th day because I have my planning activities. But this is planning date. My work date is this only. I'll start my work here only. But my work order generation date I need in advance. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Both of you.
Yes, sir.
Then of this, what is this percentage? On 90, what percentage is 45 days?
50.
50%.
Come and put in the color zone. Okay, startup cycle I'm giving. Correct date I'll give from first, then only you'll understand. 112 I'm giving. My startup date is 112 and it is a 3-month cycle. Okay, 3-month cycle. Right, I'll take this. And where preventive will be like this only. It takes time to understand, not like work order and all. Preventive, little, still we didn't go much. Slowly speed is increasing. Okay, schedule it. Go type it in 292. See the date. Okay. So my work should be on 45 day work order generation, but my work date is 90. See here. Your December 1st. 45 days is January 15th. Your work order generation date. But my work date is 90 days. December 5th, December 1st. So my work 90 days is March 1st. Call date is the date. Call date is the date on which my work order is getting generated. And plan date is the date your work start date. In the means your work order start and end date is there, no? The work order, basic start date, basic end date. IW32.
Plan date, sir. What is that?
Plan date is your work start date, your work order basic start date. Always it is running, man. What is this? Okay, man. 1-3, right? Open the order. Select the line, go and open the order. This button, display call object. This button. See, 1-3 is your work start date. Work order, work start date. Is your work you are starting on this date, right?
Yes, yes.
That is what your plan date. And call date is the date on which your order is getting generated. Order or notification, irrespective of anything. So
Sir.
there is difference of, tell me.
Sir, like in one of the interview, they asked like why we are setting call horizon 100 as 100%. If we set up like 60%, then what is that? So means
Absolutely.
like
out of 90, 60% is 96 or 54 days. Okay. Here 54 means you will get work hours generated on 54 days. So here it will not be 15-1. It will be 24-1. See here, my date I put December 1st, right?
yes.
So 90 day cycle. My plan date will be January, February, March 1st. This is my plan date. There is no change in this. This will not change. Okay. Now days is 90 days. If I put 50% callers on, my work order generation date will be January 15. That is 45 days from here. If you put how much percentage you told? 60%. 60% of 90 days, 54 days. So here my order will generate on Jan 24th.
Yes.
Oh, don't ask question. Immediately do it. This and all you need to do and see. Then only you will understand. I will do. If you don't want, I will do. Just I tell this and all you should practically do. Then only you will understand the flow. SAP and all, if you think on theoretical, nothing works out. Keep any percentage. There is no condition. I need to put only 50%. Nothing like that. Okay. Now your head will be starting rotating. Sorry. See here, what I told.
Yeah, 24. Yes.
60% of your cycle.
Yes.
Call horizon is nothing but the percentage of your cycle length. But your work start date will not change. This will not change. This is called call horizon. Enda Anwar.
Yes, sir.
Preventive, I can't do anything. It will be like this only. It takes time to understand slowly.
Sir, sir, I'm still again confused. Sir, in that Excel sheet you mentioned that 45 days if the call horizon is 50% and for 90 days 3 months the work planning date, that is the work order generation days, is 45 days.
This is not work order agent. Yes, this is call date. This is call date.
Call date.
See here,
सर
don't.
मैं
I'm showing this only,
सर
right?
मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ हिंदी में?
Yeah, you carry on. You carry on. I don't know Hindi. You carry
रिजवान
on.
भाई, सपोज अपना प्लान है वो 3 मंथ का नहीं है, 1 मंथ का है। सपोज किसी मशीन का जो है फ्रीक्वेंसी है कि हर महीने 1 तारीख को जो है उसका प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस रहेगा। अभी क्या होगा कि 1 जनवरी को है, नेक्स्ट उसका 1 फरवरी है, उसके बाद उसका 1 मार्च है। तो जब अपना 1 फरवरी अगर डिसाइड हो गया है तो 1 फरवरी को 1 फरवरी ही को वर्क ऑर्डर बनेगा, ऐसा भी इसमें ऑप्शन है। अगर आप 100% डाल देंगे तो 1 फरवरी को एक्टिविटी रहेंगी और 1 फरवरी को ही आपका वर्क ऑर्डर बनेगा। बट अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि वर्क ऑर्डर पहले बन जाए ताकि हम एक्टिविटी की प्लानिंग कर ले, ठीक है ना, प्लानिंग में जो भी मतलब स्पेयर पार्ट लगता है या कुछ और प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस में जो किट पीएम किट लगती है, उसके लिए अगर हम प्लानिंग करना चाहते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, सिस्टम में ये फीड करते हैं कि हमको 10 दिन पहले वर्क ऑर्डर बन जाए। जबकि अगर 1 जनवरी को अगर प्लानिंग रहेंगी तो 20 दिसंबर को हमारा वर्क ऑर्डर बन जाना चाहिए। तो उसके अंदर में ये जो ड्यूरेशन है हम पहले बनने का, उसको हम परसेंटेज के अकॉर्डिंग जो इसमें डालते हैं। सपोज 1 महीना 30 दिन का है तो उसका 50% क्या हो गया, 15 दिन। उसका 60% क्या हो गया, 20 दिन। तो ऐसा अगर अपन 100% डालते हैं तो वो 1 फरवरी का एक्टिविटी रहेगा, 1 फरवरी को ही वर्क ऑर्डर बनेगा। और अगर आप 50% अगर डालते हो तो क्या हो जाएगा, 15 दिन पीछे चला जाएगा वर्क ऑर्डर आपका। तो यानी पहले वर्क ऑर्डर बनेगा आपका 15 दिन पहले ही, और जबकि फरवरी में एक्टिविटी रहेंगी उसकी 1 फरवरी को। अगर आप 30% डालते हैं, 25% 30% डालते हैं तो वो 20 दिन पहले बनेगा। यानी 10 10 10 को अगर आप डिवाइड करते हैं 100 से तो क्या हो रहा है, 33% हो रहा है। अगर आप 33% डालते हैं तो क्या होगा वो, कि 20 दिन के ऊपर बनेगा। अगर आप ये 66% डालते हैं तो वो 20 तारीख को बनेगा। 33 डालते हैं तो 10 तारीख को बन जाएगा, यानी 20 दिन पहले। वो सिर्फ वर्क ऑर्डर है। कॉल डेट मतलब सर का ये बोलना है कि कॉल डेट मीन्स जब वर्क ऑर्डर आप बन जाएगा, उसका क्रिएट हो जाएगा सिस्टम के अंदर में। जबकि एक्टिविटी को अभी और 10 दिन और 15 दिन बाकी रहेंगे क्योंकि हमने 50% डाला है उसके अंदर। अगर अपन 100% डालेंगे तो वर्क ऑर्डर और एक्टिविटी दोनों एक ही डेट में क्रिएट होंगी, समझो, बनेगी।
हाँ, ओके। नहीं, मेरा वो डाउट है ये जो 90 डेज वाला जो है वो कौन सा डेट होता है, और ये 45 डेज तो जैसे
90
कॉल
डेज
90 डेज जो
90
वो
डेज जो है वो फ्रीक्वेंसी है ना, जैसा अभी 1 महीने का
नहीं
एग्जांपल
नहीं
दिया मैंने आपको। तो
नहीं, वो जो 90 डेज को जो मतलब जैसा 3 मंथ हुआ वो तो साइकिल हो गया, ठीक है, कॉल साइकिल जो फ्रिक्वेंसी हुआ। बट वो जो 90 डेज में जो बनेगा वो क्या है, वर्क ऑर्डर बनेगा, दैट इज वर्क ऑर्डर डेट, या फिर उसको क्या बोलेंगे, वो जो डेट
नहीं
को
है,
जो
वो
ट्रिगर।
एक्टिविटी डेट है सर। यहाँ से 90 डेज के बाद में जो होगा वो एक्टिविटी होंगी, और 45 यहाँ से 45 डे के बाद जो बनेगा वो वर्क ऑर्डर बनेगा फॉर एक्टिविटी जो 90 डेज के बाद आने वाली है।
हाँ, ये देखो, ये तो जो कॉल डेट जो है फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्क ऑर्डर वो 45 डेज हुआ, ठीक है।
हाँ, यहाँ
ये
से।
वर्क ऑर्डर उस दिन ओपन हो जाएगा या फिर
हाँ
ट्रिगर हो, वही मेरे को क्वेश्चन आ रहा है।
हाँ,
मतलब
वो ट्रिगर
45।
हो जाएगा ना। देखिए, आज के डेट से 90 डेज के बाद में अपना पीएम है, फर्स्ट
हम्म
डेट है उसका।
हम्म
और आज के डेट से आप चाहते हैं कि वो 45 दिन के बाद ही उसका वर्क ऑर्डर बन जाए ताकि अगेन 45 डेज आपको प्रिपरेशन के लिए मिले।
हाँ, जो 45 डेज, अभी देखो 45 डेज का जो आप जो प्लानिंग करोगे, जो वर्क ऑर्डर ट्रिगर कर रहा, ठीक है,
हाँ,
तो आप प्लान किए। जो एक्चुअल डेट जो है 90 डेज का, जो मतलब जो 90th जो लास्ट डेट होगा वो क्या है, वो
वो
एक्टिविटी।
पीएम डेट है ना, एक्टिविटी डेट है वो। ये
हाँ,
वर्क ऑर्डर
उसको
क्रिएट हो रहा है
Activity
सिर्फ
date
सर।
is nothing but your plan date. Plan date is nothing but your work start date. It is your work order basic start date. IW32 basic start date, your work start date.
यस,
That is your
ओके।
activity start date. Absolutely.
हम्म।
45 डेज के बाद में ओनली वर्क ऑर्डर क्रिएट हो रहा है अपना।
Yes. Yes.
ओके।
It's only creation. Call date is work order creation. Only creation. That's all. That is the reason. That is the reason when the call is created, this field will go empty. The call date will go into empty.
Okay.
Because order is getting created. Got it?
Yes.
Since the order is creating, this field will go to empty. See, next line. Select it, release. Will go to empty. Select, release. Will go to empty because when you are going to save, for all three workout is going to be generated. For all the three calls. Because order is generated, so call date will not be there when the order is generated. But your plan date will not change. Simple thing, my plan date is your work order start date as per your cycle. 3 months, 90 days, that won't change. That is your work order start date, basic start date, IW32. Yes or no? Still many things we need
Yes,
to go,
sir.
boss. Mohammed sir.
Yes, sir.
Caller zone is the percentage of your cycle. Percentage of your cycle. Percentage
Right.
multiplication per cycle. That will be your call date, the work order generation. Work order generation and your work start both need not to be same. It depends on your caller zone. If 100%, it won't be changed. Both will be same. If 100%, nothing will change. Start date and plan date and call date will be same.
Yes.
If 100%, there won't be any changes. Both will be same.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is basic. Any interview, if they want to start preventive questioning, first they will ask what is scheduling period and college zone. If you give the answer for this both, then only they will go to the next question. If you are not telling this, they won't go to the next question. Basic preventive opening ceremony. Whether you are able to stand when a ball is coming or you are running away. Okay. From here, they will kick you out. If no means, you don't know preventive. Right. So this you clear. Time and key date and factory calendar. Right. Any questions here? Scheduling indicator.
No, sir.
Both of you. For 5 years, they won't ask, but some mental may ask. Maybe 7, 8 years, they may ask time key date factory calendar. They may ask some mental people. But for 7, 8 years, after 7 or 8 years, they may ask you. Completion requirement. Completion requirement means if this call is echoed, then only next call will generate. If the call is not echoed, the work order is not echoed, the next call will not generate. That is what completion requirement. Preceding call is confirmed. When the preceding call is confirmed, next only, then only next call will generate. If the preceding call is preceding means previous. Preceding means previous. Any call. If it is not confirmed, the next call will not generate. That is called completion requirement. Any questions here on completion requirement, this tick mark?
No, sir.
Okay.
Because how to do it, sir, here? Why it
Give
is
the
there? It should be work in work order, na?
sorry. See, actually, I also don't actually do and see that. Okay, but here there is a button. Here you have now. This is take a button. Complete. See the status. Complete. Okay, save it. Now go to the order and see whether the order is take out. No, order is not take out. I don't know why. Then this and that are different. I don't know, man. Orders take out. Right, you start complete data constant, save it. Right, then order status, then both. One day I saw both Tripcam, Techo, so both are different. Order Techo and that completion both are different then. But it's not Techo. Okay. One day I checked, I see both are same. I think this and that are different. Okay. Right, that is your completion tick mark. Like this, many questions are there in the plan. Okay. Right. So you are clear of the cycle unit test and all. Okay, here you are clear callers on scheduling period, completion requirement, start date field. Start date is the date from date your calculation starts. Okay, so scheduling is you are clear. This I will come tomorrow. This is what you are creating order from your plan. Okay, that is your plan category. Plan category is coming in the front screen IP41. Your plan category. Okay, so if you want a notification, you can create notification also. See here, you will come notification tab, not work order type. Okay, that's all. You give the notification type. M1, M2, M3, whatever you want, you can create. Okay, save it. If you keep callers in 0, no, it will create only one call. See here, I am keeping empty. Save it. You will get only one call. 4 calls. I don't know if any system error. If it is 0, there will be only one call actually. 1 year correct only. It should be 100. If 0, see here. See immediate call. The next call, see your callers and you'll understand clearly here. Press F1 and read it, you will understand still more. For 0, enna? Mummy to put meeting. If 0, there will be only one call.
But
Second call.
sir, but cycle length should be 1 year, no? Then only it will take immediate.
Cycle?
If it is cycle here is 3 months, so that's the reason it is
Yes.
for 4 times.
No. If callers on 0, see here. Immediate call. See here. I know it will come only one call. I know it. Some error in the system here. I don't know. It should wrong actually. It's somewhere. If 0 means there will be only one call will come. I had seen many times.
It may be an immediate activity for first plan date.
Sorry.
Sir, it may be if we putting 0, then it may be a immediate call for first activity only.
Only one activity will come. Only one activity
Why,
will
sir?
come.
We are putting 3 months.
Sir, then what is call horizon?
Call horizon means
Okay, you are telling 3 months.
your work.
I put here 40. No. I put here 50%. Order created on 45th day, right?
Right, sir.
If I put 0 today,
It will be a same day, just like 100%.
but I had seen many times. But keep empty and see. Wait, I will keep empty and see. I'll keep empty and see what is happening. Hey, I didn't add the task list. Maybe that also may be a reason. I know only one call will come. Why 3 came? Maybe it is checking the task list or what. I don't know. It is empty. Save. Schedule it. No. I had seen many times. It won't come. If 0 means only one call will come. Maybe I don't know what
So
is
it is
wrong.
taking 100% back. It is taking
That's what
100%
it
back.
should not take. It should have for 0 only one call will come. I had seen n number of times. I know it. Okay. So this is done. Startup cycle is done. Completion requirement is done. Scheduling details is done. Right. And then attaching task list. Okay. Right. With this, we'll close for today. Do the practice. If you both are available, tomorrow same 7 o'clock will join. Still, I need to. Okay. Before coming tomorrow, read this and come 1 second. This is also good. You can go through. See. Okay, this and all is good. See. For 0, all call coming. Yeah. Daddy, 0, only one call will come. I don't know. I had seen n number of times. I am wrong or not, I don't know. I had seen n number of times. For 0, only one call will come. 1 second, guys. Put other call. Put. Okay, go through this. You'll still understand more. Okay. Okay, you will understand still more better. See, tolerance and all very good example. You can read here also. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to teach this, and this is very important. Scheduling parameters. I'll send all after a second. You sit and read the documents. Maybe both are same, I think so. Okay, I'll send all. Go through this. Okay, just go through all. Okay. This also you can see. Okay, task list, IP 41, 43 type of plan. Right. Single cycle strategy, multiple counter, deadline monitoring, IP 10 or IP 30 scheduling. Okay. So your order generation after that same release. After order generated same, no difference. Release, everything same. Okay, no change on it. Okay, after that all same. Internal. Okay, and your release PR, PO, material is goods receipt. This and all is same. Okay, no change on this. Okay, this you can see. Go through this. Okay, I think. This is basic. Okay. Go through my Excel also. My Excel also given very clearly. Okay. My Excel also very given clearly. You read these words here also, it will be understandable. Okay, we'll close for today. Okay, please do practice and come with questions.